What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos, and also make sure you hit that like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. Lastly, I'm going to link the free Discord in the description below. So WeBull's 4 free stock promo has been extended to February 1st. When you open up your new brokerage account with WeBull, you'll get 2 free stocks. And when you make an initial deposit of $100, you'll get another 2 free stocks. The total value of all 4 of those free stocks could be up to $3,700. And lastly, cryptocurrency is now available on the platform, so you can trade crypto with 0 commissions. So today we're going to be talking about TBLT Industries again. It's currently 5:52 p.m. Eastern Time here in Michigan, and the stock is trading at $1.32. It's up 0.77% for the day and up 0.77% in the after hours. So since I first mentioned TBLT a few weeks ago, the stock is up 50% from the first time that I talked about it when it was at 88 cents. Now being at $1.32. So I'm long on this company. It's not a hard company to understand. They pretty much just make construction equipment. As I mentioned in prior videos, Q3 was their first earnings report where the company was actually profitable. And as I mentioned in the most recent video that I did on this company, I expect Q4 to be an even bigger quarter for the company. Just based off a little bit of research and DD that I did, I do see, and obviously Q4 is usually a bigger quarter for retail. We do see a lot of consumer spending in Q4 typically. By logic, I expect Q4 to be an even bigger quarter, but what do I want to talk about today? So I want to address the fact that a lot of people were telling me that this stock was actually going to get delisted, and respectfully, I disagreed with those people, and that's what we're going to talk about today. But as always, it's always super important to do your own research and come to your own conclusions. This channel is just me sharing my ideas and putting them out there with you guys. So a lot of people kind of shared in the sentiment that this company was going to get delisted. I completely disagreed with that. So here's a comment of somebody actually saying that it was going to get delisted. Here's what he said. Are you aware that TBLT has a requirement for its price to be above $1 to comply with NASDAQ requirements for at least 10 consecutive business days before January 20th, 2021? To avoid being delisted from the NASDAQ. And so if not NASDAQ exemption, a reverse split is coming, or in worst case scenario, a delisting from NASDAQ. My reply was, I've been through this situation with other stocks, including IDEX. NASDAQ gives extensions, especially with COVID-19. I don't believe they will get delisted, but we will see how it pans out. And well and behold, the company is not going to be delisted is what it's looking like. So what's making the stock go up, in my opinion, is that on January 22nd, they were given an extension to meet the NASDAQ compliance, which is a $1 bid for 10 consecutive business days, and they have 180 days to do it. So the company now has until July 19th, 2021 to be trading at $1 for 10 consecutive business days. CEO Michael Panoshin said, "We are pleased to have received an extension, and we believe that we regain compliance during this extension period." So I believe that this news is really what's sending the stock higher right now. I mean, just think about it. There was a lot of people who held that sentiment that this stock was going to get delisted. I disagreed with that. I chose to invest, took a little bit more of a risk, but now there's a lot of new money coming in because I think them getting the extension and the stock price being where it's at, I kind of feel like this stock isn't going to be going under $1 within the 10-day period. And the CEO says that he thinks this period is where they meet compliance and regain it, and that brings new money into it, sends the stock a little bit higher, which even lessens the chance of it not meeting compliance this time around. So that kind of de-risks the stock a little bit. Obviously, this is still a risky stock. It's a penny stock, but it's a company that I really like, and I'm going to hold my investment in. Am I buying at this very moment? No, that might change, but I'm not buying right now. Am I selling? No, I'm just going to hold right now, and I look at this as a long-term investment. Unless I get some extremely good returns in a short amount of time and I find a better place to move the money, that's one of the things that justifies me selling out of a company that I like. Because, this is construction equipment. I think that I'm in stuff with a lot more exponential growth than construction equipment, but with the valuation being what it is today, you know, there's a lot of room, there's a lot of upside here in my opinion. Maxim Research Group has a $2.50 price target. Maybe it gets there within the next 12 months. Maybe it doesn't. Who knows? But, you know, as long as the fundamentals are solid, then I am comfortable investing in this penny stock. So this is going to be a shorter video. This is a smaller company. There isn't a lot to talk about until earnings. Earnings is expected to be March 29th. So when we get those Q4 earnings from 2020, around March 29th, either up or down in this stock, but you know, I'm really optimistic about those Q4 2020 earnings based on the research that I've been doing. I don't like to add a lot of fluff to the video either, so I hope you guys can appreciate that. But that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, join the free Discord down in the description below. I want to know what you think about TuffBuilt. Leave me a comment down below, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.